Right, so I'm going to start setting up the materials now. Let me just drop a null here first. Call this caps lock is always better. A render. Okay, go back and then I'm going to bring all the render nodes down to the bottom. So grain, hunter, and the crocodile. Okay, maybe color them. Do it yellow. Okay, and we'll start with the crocodile. So I'm going to jump in here. And what we need to do, we need to drop a material node, first of all. Put that there. But we need some kind of way of, sectioning off the different parts of the crocodile, the teeth, the eyes, and the body, right? And right now we don't have that. Okay, but if we go to the unpack here, we've got a path attribute that we can pass through after unpacking it. And then here we can see it now. Once we unpack on the primitives, we've got that. So we're going to set up groups based on that. So one for the one for the body, right? So I'll just do it like this. Path is, and then so I'm just looking here for something to select, which is specific to just the body. So obviously just the word body. So this will be anything before body. Select anything before body and anything after body. So it will select all of these. And then let's see, what else do we have? We've got body, and then we've got, next is, there's iris. So I'll just copy that, make another one. And make sure I've got iris with a capital I, just like it is here. Iris. And what else do we have? Got this lacrimal. Well, this lacrimal one we won't use. We don't need that. We'll use this one, this sclera. So iris, body, and then this sclera. Sclera, like that. Spell it the same. Okay, and then think just the teeth are left. Sclera, and then the teeth. Cool. Teeth, like that. So that should select them. And then in a moment we'll drop in the materials once we've made them. Let me drop in a null. And just like the other, I'll just put out render. Good, so let's go ahead and actually make those materials. So go into my matte context and drop a redshift material builder here. Okay, and then we'll call this, so croc body. And well, let's make all of them first. So we had croc body. What else? We're still selecting that so we can use those same names. Body, iris, croc iris, and then the next one I think we don't need this lacrimal part. Sclera. Sclera, like that. Next one, and then teeth, just the 4. Perfect, and then I'm just going to give these some crazy colors just to see that everything's working. And obviously we'll connect some maps up to these later on. Blue, I'm not really thinking about what colors I'm doing, just something different for each one. Teeth, I don't know, green. Cool, and then back out here, back into my crocodile at the bottom here, and then we should be able to get links to these materials now. So connect up the teeth. So I will set up my shop material path attribute. This sclera. Great. The iris. And the body. Which is that. Cool. So let's turn the view flag on that, and then maybe we can just try a quick render of it. Well, let's go to a later frame so the crocodile is nearer to us. Maybe so we can see the eyes and teeth. There's fine. Let's go into our out context and actually make our Redshift render nodes. Okay, and then head over to Redshift and let's just run an IPR. There we go. So we've got different colors on each part. So there you can see the two different sections of the eye, the body and the teeth are all different colors and picking up those colors as well. So they're picking up the materials correctly. Perfect.